Hello, we're here at IFA 2009 with Catherine. She's a co-founder of Real Cable, a French company, and Laurent, who's a technical manager for the company. Thank you very much for meeting with us.
Welcome, it's our pleasure.
Well, I've just been told that it's the 10th anniversary of Real Cable, and I was wondering if you could tell us a bit about the company and how the whole idea was started.
Yes, we started 10 years ago now. It was an idea with my father and I. My father is an engineer and is very focused about sound, quality of sound, about quality of screen and everything. And he made several tests and realized that the cable is very, very important. So since 10 years, we developed our own philosophy about cable, about sound, and how to improve the quality of sound or visual. And so we always try to be at the top of the technology to offer to our customers the best.
And right now, which are the markets that you're being most successful in?
In French, we are very strong. We are successful as well in a Russian market. It's an important market. So we are about in 25 countries.
And how are you introducing yourselves in the market? Is it through a distributor, or are you directly selling in the market?
No, we're looking for a distributor. I think it's very important to know the country, and each people have this their own sound, their own understanding about sound and everything. And sometimes with Real Cable, we develop some product especially for a market. For example, we develop a special cable for German sound, for example. So we work with some German manufacturer of a speaker. So it's important to have an importer directly on the country.
And in terms of HDTV, which is the sector that we are covering, I was a bit curious to know how strong you are in that sector and what type of cables are you doing for them?
We developed HDMI with many things. So our engineer will speak about that. But we have a system of safe lock for the HDMI. We developed the HDMI 1.4 just to have the high definition. So we have the cable and we are ready. When the screen will be ready, we are here to connect everything. So, but my colleague can speak about technical things.
Excellent. Well, maybe we'll ask Laurent to please explain to us a bit this innovative product that you've launched.
Yes. In fact, we are here at IFA and we present the very new HDMI 1.4 cables. This new specification had a lot of new features with respect to the previous one. The biggest one is the Ethernet channel. As we can see here on the cable, we add inside the cable a specific channel to add the Ethernet inside the HDMI. So the goal is very simple and is very useful for everybody, including HDTV user. If you have several equipments connected with HDMI 1.4, and one of them is connected to the network, then through the HDMI, all of them will be connected to the network. So it's very helpful for firmware update or bonus on Blu-ray and things like that. So in HDMI 1.4, there are also other features, such as the support of 3D TV, that will be launched during 2010. And here at Real Cable, we will have the cable in October 2009. So we are in advance to the market. Also, there is another feature, which is the support of the 4K by 2K resolution, which is a very high resolution, will come on the market. We don't know when yet, so it's very early.
We have to.
And other very specific feature that adds things like new color spaces and other things more technical. That's the big news of the show.
So I see that you're well advanced of the market. Very interesting, innovative, a very innovative company. Great. And this cable has been launched already?
It's going to be launched in a few weeks now.
In October.
In October.
In October. And in what markets?
In 25 countries now. France, Russian, Italy.
Mainly European.
Yeah, Germany.
Okay, excellent. And I just want to ask you about IFA. You know, what have you thought about IFA 2009? Have you enjoyed it? Has it been a successful event?
It's not finished. We will continue. Yeah, we were very pleased. The first 2 days, so today we are Sunday, has been very, very great. A lot of people was coming from all the world, all the countries, yeah, and so for us it's very, so we are very pleased, and we know the result of our new product HDMI 1.4, and all the people is so attractive, so they want to have it now. So it gives us a lot of power, and so we are on the good way. Other people. In French is easier to speak, but the people told us, okay, please continue to be the first, continue the investment of your new product, new launching and everything. So it's great.
Excellent. Well, when we came here, we thought that maybe the economic crisis would have affected the fair, but we've been speaking to some companies very innovative, also in the HDTV sector, and they tell us that actually it's been a great year for them, that people are more and more interested. Well, what's your opinion on that?
Of course, people are more and more interested. The sound and vision is going. Of course, there is a crisis. It's difficult. Some countries has a lot of suffer. Some of them are just stable. But if everybody is here, it's because it's coming back. So we don't have to be so afraid. We have to believe about people, and then it will go.
Happen. And just a final message to our readers that could not come here to IFA and meet you. What would you like them to know when they hear about Real Cable? What would you like them to associate to the name of the company?
Real Cable feels the difference.
Excellent. Thank you very much for the interview. Thank you very much, Laurent.